Ece and this is Turk14. In this video, we will be talking about the myths and common scams about property investment in Turkey. First of all, let me remind you that the minimum investment limit is 250,000 USD. So any investment amount that is below such limit is a scam. You can neither get your Turkish citizenship for 175,000 USD nor get your passport for 95,000 USD. These are unfortunately the most dangerous scams that you will definitely see online, which is an illegal method. Many of these get your passport for 175,000 USD campaigns wants you to pay 250,000 USD and then promising that they give rent guarantee for 3 years until their payback reaches to 75,000. They hire a corrupted appraisal company, get an appraisal report that falsely shows that the property is worth 250,000 USD, and they start selling cheap real estate for 250 by claiming that they will pay 75,000 USD in time if they don't run away after the first or second installment. Because even if they run away and leave you with a worthless property, you can't do anything because you were participating in their scam against the Turkish law. Number 2 on our list is overvaluation fraud, which we generally see from the Turkish subsidiaries of Chinese companies. Chinese companies entered into the Turkish citizenship market and made deals with Turkish developers for wholesale purchases. They purchased dozens of apartments in bulk from some projects in Turkey for discounted prices like 70,000 or 80,000 USD per apartment. Afterwards, they started to systematically pump the prices up for a particular project to be able to get overrated evaluation reports per apartment. So, if you have purchased a profitable property, you are safe. But if you have purchased an overvalued property just like the ones from these Chinese companies, you will probably not be able to sell it for your purchase price after 3 years. In other words, you would be paying 250,000 USD to a property that is actually worth around 80,000 USD or even less. Plus, with the recent changes, investors cannot sell their properties to a new citizenship by investment client. But we have explained this on another video. Number 3 on our myths and scams list is campaigns that offer citizenship for Bitcoin. Recently, we get many questions about cryptocurrency payment for property purchase. Well, if you're investing to apply for citizenship in future, you cannot purchase the property via Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies because you're obliged to present a signed and stamped bank receipt that shows your investment amount, property information, and your personal information as the investor. If you pay with Bitcoin, it is not possible for you to get a receipt that shows such information, hence it is not possible to prove your investment amount. In short, no, you cannot purchase the property with Bitcoin and then apply for citizenship. So please do not believe in scammers who will take your crypto assets and disappear. After all, it is forbidden to use crypto assets in payments according to the recent law. You can find more about that regulation by clicking above. Another common problem is the fake real estate agents. Due to the fact that there is a relatively high commission for agents who can close a deal in USD, everybody used to work as an agent, from taxi drivers to random shopkeeper that you ask for directions on the street. But on June 2018, a new regulation was published so that now all real estate agents have to obtain a license. To avoid fake real estate agents or anyone who is acting as an agent, you can simply ask for their level 5 or level 4 real estate agent license. Number 5. Signing a real estate agreement at the seller's office of a project means nothing. In Turkey, official title deed transfer process is handled at the land registries and solely by the government officials there. Which means that you cannot purchase a real estate by signing a piece of paper at the sales office or an agent's office. With that being said, if you are purchasing an unfinished property, you can apply for citizenship with a preliminary agreement to sales. This agreement must be issued by a notary in Turkey and signed at the notary as well. But again, this agreement doesn't mean that you own the property. It only gives you the right and power to push the seller to finish construction and transfer the official title deed at the land registry afterwards. Number 6 is sellers or agents who claims that you can pay for the property in installments and get citizenship immediately. No, you can't pay in installments and get the Turkish passport at once. You cannot apply for citizenship until you complete the whole payment of 250,000 USD. Number 7 on our list is about the title deed fee. Some sellers, real estate agents, or developers may claim that the title deed fee burden fully belongs to the buyer. Title deed fee is 4% of the sales amount and it should be divided equally between the seller and the buyer. But most of the time, sellers ask the buyer to pay it all, so if that happens, do not forget to bargain for a better price if seller insists on you to pay the full title deed fee. Our next myth is a close friend of the previous one. It is asking for a real estate agent commission higher than the maximum limit. Yes, there is a legal maximum limit for real estate agent commission in Turkey, and it is 4% of the sales amount, just like the title deed fee. Agent's commission is also legally divided equally between the seller and the buyer, but usually buyer is asked to cover all expenses, including this as well. Number 9 on our myths and scams list is the fake property listings. As a foreign investor, you start an online search for property options in Turkey. Real estate agents, either they are fake or licensed, may put listings that are too good to be true. For such case, our rule is if that's too good to be true, that is probably fake. But anyway, when you show your interest and get in touch with the agent or the seller, you will hear a line such as, "That listing already sold, but I have a better one. That one is not available anymore, but there's a new project that is located at the heart of the city, blah blah blah." These are all common scams for real estate agents who just want to get your contact information so that they can send you irrelevant portfolio. As long as you choose your representatives cleverly, you will not face any problems. Therefore, we highly suggest you to work with competent lawyers, because lawyers are reliable from their actions as a matter of their profession, and they can lose their license if they get involved in a fraud. Thanks for watching TurkFortune. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss any updates about the real estate market and Turkish citizenship by investment program. See you next time.